Bar LEDs are extremely popular at the moment, and that shouldn't come as a surprise. All of your plants sit directly underneath a light source and benefit from a high intensity. Keep watching to find out how you can get the most out of your fixture. With bar LEDs, there are no hot or cold spots. You get an even canopy and all the light is beamed down, so less light is lost to your walls. The downside to the excellent coverage of bar LEDs is that they take up the entire footprint of the most popular sizes of tent, meaning they can't sit at the same level as your fan or filter. This fact, combined with the amount of light modern LED fixtures emit, means you are at risk of having your light too close to the canopy. With the latest LEDs having PAR ratings of up to 2.7 UMOL per watt, you're in danger of your plants getting too much light. This leads to growth issues and bleaching of the leaf pigments. So we've devised 4 simple steps to avoid this problem when using bar LED grow lights. The first and simplest step is just to dim your LED. For young plants, this is essential anyway, but in a limited headroom situation, this will help ensure that your plants don't receive too much light. Many of the best LED fixtures have a dimming function found on the fixture itself or on a remote switch. We recommend going a step further and linking yours to a controller where possible to really boss it. The second tip we have is that you could upgrade your tent to a taller model. There are a number of high-ceiling tents available, such as the Homebox Ambient 2.2 meter range and the Budbox HC models. You could get 20 centimeters more than you'd get with a standard 2 meter tall model. Thirdly, you could completely remove your extraction system from the tent by switching to an inline filter. You get the same amount of extraction and smell filtration, but the clever inline design lets you get back that crucial space at the top of your tent. It keeps your carbon filter fully enclosed in an airtight housing, meaning you can take the filter out of your tent, gaining back up to 30 centimeters of headroom. Finally, we suggest adding CO2 to your grow tent or room. If your bar LED is too close to your canopy, you risk plants getting too much light. You can offset this by adding CO2. If plants get too much light, but not enough CO2, then photosynthesis is reduced and plants become stressed. Make sure you add enough CO2 for optimum photosynthesis. As well as preventing problems, adding CO2 with bar LEDs can increase yields by 20 to 30%. In small rooms, exhale bags and TMB canisters do the trick. For larger areas, you're best off using propane or bottled gas. And those are the 4 simple steps to help avoid the small problems that can occur when using bar LEDs. Have you got a question? Leave a comment below and we'll do our best to answer it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you like this kind of content, then subscribe to our YouTube channel where we have more videos like this one.